Post-COVID-19 vaccine commercial cleaning best practices. Now that vaccines are being distributed nationwide, there is hope that the pandemic may wind down so we can all get back to business. Even when that happens, however, it is not likely to be business as we knew it. There is now more awareness of how germs and viruses spread in facilities, and that will not stop when we see COVID infection numbers drop. Employees, customers, and guests are going to demand that a higher level of attention be paid to safety and health. A good indication of that comes from two studies done before and after a vaccine was announced. A survey of employees conducted in May 2020 showed that 73% of employees wanted their workplace cleaned daily. The post-vaccine results showed that even more people think workplaces should be cleaned and disinfected daily. In May, 56% said they wanted daily cleaning and disinfection. The post-vaccine study in December showed that the number had increased to 62%. This means that continued education about how illnesses are spread increased the desire for proactive cleaning and disinfection instead of decreasing it as people got used to living in a COVID world and knowing a vaccine was now available. The study also showed that 76% of employees surveyed also believe it is important to use commercial cleaning companies that employ trained and certified professional technicians. Employees and customers also want to see evidence of clean, safe, and healthy environments, which means the appearance of your business will make a difference when attracting customers or recruiting employees. As Barclays analyst Lauren Lieberman said of a post-COVID world, consumers and employees will demand that places not only be clean, but also show clean. Download the executive report on this page to learn more about post-COVID-19 vaccine commercial cleaning best practices. OpenWorks provides exceptional service that consistently exceeds your expectations. When looking for commercial cleaning services near me, be sure you consider companies such as OpenWorks that provide experienced and professional cleaning and disinfecting experts. OpenWorksWeb.com. Get an estimate